Before 2014 ended, I was invited to grace several Christmas parties kasama ang iba't ibang brand endorsements ko like Jollibee. It was such a fun and enjoyable event kasi may mga big-time raffles at may presentations pa ang lahat ng employees. Everyone was just having a great time while bonding with their co-employees. Happy ako dahil nakasama ko ang Jollibee family ko.
Siyempre, nung nakita ko sila ng mga naka-costumes, ito yung mga taong nire-respeto natin mga employees, nakakatuwa kasi makita sila na nag-loosen up, tapos nag-enjoy, and all smiles, di ba?
What's good about this Christmas party, I think, is the theme. It's about family, and that's what Jollibee is all about naman. And I think we were able to find, or our HR team was able to find a nice twist to the theme, kasi everyone, naka-different types of families siya. So, mapapansin mo, naka-Sound of Music, kung hindi halata, ako si Liesl ng Sound of Music.
Masayang-masaya yung mga tao. Andun din si Mr. Gene Tolentino, nakita ko rin.
I have great news because I know we're going to have more fun with our next guest. He is one of the endorsers as well of Jollibee. Multi-awarded, super multifaceted artist, and super gorgeous as well. Are your cell phones still ready? May charge pa? May memory springs pa? So this is it. Guys, put your hands together for the one and only Miss Sarah Geronimo. Great to see the end of having fun tonight. Maraming salamat po.
Lagi looking forward kami kung sino ang guest. So, masaya kami ngayon na si Sarah.
Merry Christmas. Para po sa inyo ito. This is from my latest album called Kilometro. Ano po magustuhan niyo?
Yung Jollibee Christmas Party, nakapag-guest ako, I sang one song, yung pong bago kong single from my latest album, Kilometro.
Yung maagang Pasko, when I first heard her sing, talagang na-feel ko na ang Christmas eh. Tsaka, hindi siya nagbabago, talagang total performer.
Yes, totoo yan. Total performer talaga. Actually, nasayangan na kami, nabitin kami kasi isang performance lang. Ay, walang kupas talaga, tama. Jollibee yan. Jollibee, walang kupas talaga. Iba yung dating ng tao, even as an endorser, pag even yung employees nung mismong brand na ina-endorse niya, sobrang fan niya. Iba yung reception niya nung tinawag siya sa stage. Everyone was applauding, everyone was admiring her talent as a singer, and even as an overall performer.
Everybody loves her, kaya whatever she sings, I think the crowd will really get into it naman eh. In every performance that she gives, she always gives 100% naman of her effort eh. So, we couldn't ask for more.
This is the first time I'm hearing it live, and hindi ko talaga mapigilan yung sarili ko, napatayo ako eh. Siyempre, si Sarah yan eh. So, very upbeat, very catchy. I think she performed really well.
Salamat po.
Bitin, kasi isa lang eh.
Thank you so much, Sarah. Isn't she amazing?
syempre pag masaya yung crowd, masaya na rin ako, nararamdaman natin yun. So, thank you to my Jollibee family.
She's really someone the youth is looking up to. So, at siya nakikita din namin ng values ng Jollibee. Talagang nai-imbibe naman ni Sarah.
People did not expect that Sarah Geronimo would grace us with her presence today. And I think it was one of the bigger surprises of tonight. So everyone was really happy.
Hey guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Crown Plaza Hotel para sa Christmas party ng Jollibee. Ayan, enjoy na enjoy silang lahat. Merong program, may mga prod sila. So, ayan, salamat sa aking Jollibee family. Merry Christmas!
2014 ended well for me and I can say na maganda rin ang simula ng 2015 ko. Sana'y patuloy na maging maayos at masagana ang buong taon para sa akin, sa pamilya ko, at sa lahat ng taong nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa akin. Keep the hope up and may everyone have a really wonderful 2015. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Till my next entry, much love, Sarah.